Good morning, one and all present here. This is the lecture video of the continuation of the last previous video, that is binary search tree. We saw the topic called as how we can insert properties of binary search tree, and the first operation which we saw is called as the insertion. How to insert a binary, a node. Even you have a tree, a new node I'm going to insert. So that procedure we saw. Just we need to compare it with first with the node, root node, and then according to the next level we need to compare each element, and if it matches or if it is less than or greater than, we have to make that decision whether to move to the left subtree or we should move to the right subtree. Next we will see about the deletion of a node with the help of this BST, that is binary search tree, which have three scenarios. We will see the scenario one by one. First scenario is how to delete a leaf node in binary search tree, and the second condition is delete a node with single child in BST, and the third scenario is delete a node with both children in BST. First, we will see the first case. Delete a leaf node in a BST. So assume that you have a tree with a node called as root node called as 50, which have two children 30 and 70, and 30 have one more two children called as 20 and 40. And if you move to the right subtree, we have 70, which have another level, that is 60, which is of left side, and 80 is of right side. So this is actually a complete binary tree where each node is having minimum 2 children. Now the condition here is I want to delete a leaf node called as 20. So that is the first case or scenario, deleting a leaf node in BST. First I need to compare. First I need to search for 20. You can start from 50. 50 is greater than 20. So obviously we should move to the left side of left subtree of the root node. And comparing 30 with 20, 30 is greater. So obviously 20 will be in the left side of 30. So we found the node as 20, which has been marked in black color. And then I'm going to delete that node directly. One advantage in deleting a leaf node is within two traversal I have deleted my leaf node, which is called as 20. So that's what the tree data structure is very efficient compared to the linear data structures called as linked list, stacks and queue, where the deletion and insertion which will take much more time as compared to your tree. So this is how we can delete the node. So the tree will be now 30 will have only a single child called as 40, because 20 has been deleted with the help of the first case scenario. Next, the second case is deleting a node with single child in BST. So how we can delete a node with single child? Assume that you have the same tree which is having root node called as 50, 30, 70, and 30 is having two child 20, 40, and 70 is having single child called as 80. What I have to do is, if a node is having a single child, either it is left or right, I need to replace that particular, if I want to delete root 70, first I need to compare it with 50. 50 is less than 70, so obviously 70 will be in the right side of your root node. So we found 70 in a single traversal. I'm just marking 70, which I'm going to delete. Before that, 70 is having a child called as 80, so I can't delete it like that. I should replace 70 with 80 first, and then we can delete 70. So your tree will be like, at last 50 comparing 80 with 50, obviously 80 is greater than 50, so 80 is replaced at the place of 70, so the tree will become like this. The next case study we will be seeing in the next lecture video. Thank you.